The drumming livestream videos below are the raw, uncut streams where I demonstrate how I practice and respond to questions in my chat. Each video contains a range of exercises I use or topics I discuss that you can find using the timestamps in the description after I finish a stream. So even if the title of the stream doesn't interest you, there might be a section in the stream that does. For those of you that don't know, I've been playing drums since 1998 and am an award-winning educator who has been teaching since 2003 and has a bachelor's, master's, and PhD in music education. If you have a question on how to improve your playing or teaching, feel free to leave a comment in my videos or in the chat during a drumming live stream. You can also find the thousands of free play-alongs I mention or demonstrate in the streams below using the link at the top of each video's description or by using the drumming playlist in my channel's home tab. Friendly FYI, that videos that are labeled as members first are for members who want early access to hundreds of videos that are currently scheduled to release daily to the public. Click the join button below if you'd like to become a channel member for early access to all my content, but know that the best way that you can support me for free is to simply engage with and share my free content with other drummers, educators, and gamers.